this kind of data in a fraction of the time that we were before. So I think a lot of the records that we have in the current day universe, those are going to be broken really soon.
Astronomers have discovered compelling evidence of a colossal black hole within the Large Magellanic Cloud, a dwarf galaxy orbiting the Milky Way. Even more astonishing, this black hole is gradually making its way toward a future collision with our galaxy. So the thing is, detecting a hidden supermassive black hole in a nearby galaxy is no simple feat. Unlike stars, black holes emit no light, making them virtually invisible. Scientists identify them by observing their gravitational influence on nearby stars and gas clouds. In this case, researchers employed a clever technique, tracking hypervelocity stars, which travel at extraordinary speeds. These stars don't move so fast without a cause. Often they are launched into motion by an unseen massive force, such as a black hole, through a phenomenon known as the Hill's mechanism. When a binary star system, two stars bound by gravity, wanders too close to a supermassive black hole, the immense gravitational pull can rip them apart. One star gets captured, while the other is flung away at astonishing speeds. By analyzing data from the Gaia Space Telescope, which precisely tracks billions of stars, scientists identified 9 hypervelocity stars in the Milky Way that originated from the Large Magellanic Cloud. This was a crucial clue. Such extreme speeds aren't possible without an incredibly powerful force. After thorough analysis, astronomers determined that the likely cause was a supermassive black hole, estimated to be around 600,000 times the mass of our Sun. This finding is significant because it confirms the presence of a supermassive black hole at the heart of the Large Magellanic Cloud, something previously uncertain. This discovery bridges a gap in our understanding of black hole sizes. We've long known about stellar mass black holes formed from collapsing stars and the enormous supermassive black holes in galactic centers. Now, this intermediate-sized black hole helps connect the dots. Mid-sized black holes, like the one suspected in the Large Magellanic Cloud, are incredibly rare and difficult to detect. If confirmed, this discovery could provide valuable insight into how black holes evolve. Do these intermediate black holes grow by consuming gas and stars, eventually reaching supermassive sizes? Or do they expand through mergers during galactic collisions? These unanswered questions make this finding particularly exciting. The Large Magellanic Cloud has been orbiting the Milky Way for billions of years, but its journey is not a peaceful one. It's gradually being pulled toward us. In roughly 2.4 billion years, astronomers predict it will collide with the Milky Way, reshaping our galaxy's structure in a dramatic way. But what happens when a galaxy with a supermassive black hole collides with another that already has one? When the Large Magellanic Cloud merges with the Milky Way, its black hole won't simply vanish. Instead, gravity will pull it toward the galactic center, bringing it closer to Sagittarius A star, the Milky Way's supermassive black hole. Over millions of years, the two will spiral around each other, eventually forming a binary black hole system. As time passes, gravitational waves, ripples in space-time predicted by Einstein, gradually drain energy from the system, forcing the two black holes to spiral inward until they eventually collide in a massive burst of energy. This process has been observed in smaller black hole mergers through gravitational wave detectors like LIGO and Virgo. However, witnessing such an event with supermassive black holes inside our own galaxy would be an unprecedented spectacle. Beyond the black hole merger, the impending collision between the Large Magellanic Cloud and the Milky Way will reshape our galaxy in other ways. The Large Magellanic Cloud carries a vast amount of stars and gas, and when it merges with the Milky Way, it could trigger intense waves of star formation. Some scientists suggest that this impact might even alter the shape of our galaxy, potentially transforming its familiar spiral structure into a more elliptical form. While this event is still billions of years away, studying it provides crucial insights into how galaxies evolve. Such mergers are not uncommon. Many galaxies we see today are the results of past collisions. In fact, the Milky Way itself is on a collision course with the much larger Andromeda galaxy, a cataclysmic event expected to occur in about 4.5 billion years. The upcoming encounter with the Large Magellanic Cloud will offer a glimpse into the kind of cosmic transformations that lie ahead. To better understand this newly identified black hole, we can look at other well-known supermassive black holes throughout the universe. These cosmic giants offer valuable clues about how black holes grow and influence their host galaxies. Among them, the most famous is Sagittarius A, the enormous black hole residing at the heart of our Milky Way. We know Sagittarius A exists because of its immense gravitational influence on nearby stars, causing them to orbit at astonishing speeds. In 2022, the Event Horizon Telescope captured its first-ever image, confirming its presence and offering a groundbreaking way to study black holes. Another colossal black hole is M87, located at the core of the giant elliptical galaxy Messier 87. This behemoth has a staggering mass of 6.5 billion suns. In 2019, it became the first black hole ever imaged, revealing a glowing ring of light encircling its dark center. Then there's TON 618, one of the most massive black holes ever detected, estimated to weigh over 40 billion times the mass of our Sun. Situated in a quasar, an extremely bright and energetic galaxy, it relentlessly consumes surrounding gas, producing immense jets of radiation. These black holes reveal a crucial truth. Black holes are not static. They grow over time, either by accreting material or merging with other black holes. If the Large Magellanic Cloud's black hole eventually collides with Sagittarius A, it could trigger its expansion, potentially leading to a black hole as enormous as M87 over billions of years. If you found this deep dive into the universe fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awe-inspiring space discoveries.